Okay, we're live at the Steve Head car wash, put on by some really nice people to help benefit. So I'm gonna walk around and kind of show you what's happening now. This is like the Church of What's Happening Now mobile version. So here we go. This is what's your name?
Katie.
Katie. This is Katie. She's out dancing with the mannequin and the Steve Head, of course. So thank you, Katie. And we can't have any event happen without a rubber chicken. I mean, rubber chickens are they're a must. So walk down to this other corner. Isn't technology great when it works? Another nice lady. Can't remember her name, but she's out here working it too. So it's all right. What's your name?
Heidi.
Heidi. Well, thank you, Heidi. You're live out in the world right now. So, and thank you. Take it easy. And I like the back side of the sign. That's cool. So when they're not looking at the poster, they can get some valuable fuel saving tips. Take care. Uh-oh.
I almost had that one.
Oh, well, that's okay. We'll walk down to the other end here where Stephanie is out working on the signs, and she's the artist that did the signs, which is really cool. And she even included Frank in them, which is neat. See this one? Is this one? No, this one doesn't have Frank, but the others do. Booming battleground. Yes, sirree. Hey, Stephanie. You're live. You're live. Yeah, there's Stephanie, the artist.
To the car wash.
See the pug. So, thank you, Stephanie.
You're welcome. Out to the car wash.
This is the teaser mannequin I brought down here, you know. I couldn't decided maybe it would scare people away or get their attention. So nobody's egged it yet, so that's a good thing. And thanks to Kendra at Inkability in Battleground, she had these placards printed up for me, and I'm very thankful to her. And here's another lovely lady with a sign. And I hadn't seen that one yet. Looks like I'm in the driver's seat, and that's cool. So, did you do that one too, Stephanie? Cool. So, I'm going to walk back to where the action is happening. Forgive me, I don't move very fast, so. I could sing for entertainment while I walk back there, but that would really scare you. Listening to me talk is probably bad enough. And thanks to the Ace Hardware and Battleground for letting us use their parking lot. It's a great poster, but you know, I just really can't see myself doing the physical work of the brushing. And so I really appreciate the folks that are doing this. And this is pretty cool that the volunteers were trained by Mr. Miyagi, you know. And so, hi there. Yeah, here's the ones that are working and getting it done.
$100 donation.
Thank you all. And here's the lady that's responsible for putting this together.
Hello, Battleground. Come on out and get your car washed.
Thank you, Jody.
You're welcome, Steve.
So, and your mom, right?
Yes, Alicia.
Yeah. And Jody's mom, Alicia. Hi there. Yeah, you're live, broadcasting around the world.
So,
Yeah. Did you learn from Mr. Miyagi?
wax on, wax off. Oh, I think that one's lost on her.
Here's some brute behind the project.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. And
I left my number on that card thing.
Uh-huh.
If you need anything, call or text me.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
I'll do my best to figure it
And
out.
all right. This is pretty cool. Yeah. You're definitely a person that cares. That's cool.
We're
And,
actually a Relay for Life team. That's our team name.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
I looked at your post and I saw you've done quite a few things. in the past. And,
Yep.
So.
We haven't had a car wash in a good 2 or 3 years,
Oh.
so it's about time we get back out here. Awesome. I'm gonna go grab my tutu. I get a dress skirt stud?
And they've
Okay.
got a guest book. That's pretty cool. Yeah. So I think this is pretty cool. Kyle, thank you. He sent me a message last night, and he said he had something for me, and he told me to go look at my messages, and he sent me a picture. That's all right. You can. Whoops! Oh, geez, breaking everything. He sent me this picture, and it's the history of the church in the Battleground history book. And so after he sent that to me, I thought, oh, I'm gonna have to get one of those books. And so I went out and ordered one and got it, and it's pretty cool. And unfortunately, it's lost, but he brought his down and gave it to me. So that was really nice of him, thoughtful. And another lady that knows about my weirdness and stuff, she gave me this Chatty Cathy doll. and this is the first I've seen of her. And that's pretty cool. Creepy to some, but kind of cool to me. So thank you for Chatty and Laura. And so I'm sure Chatty and I will have several conversations. I think he said she still worked, so let's see what she does. Oh yeah, she still works. No, I'm not going to brush your hair, Chatty. So, but you need to open your eyes. There we go. Yeah. So, thank you again, Laura, for that, and thank you all out there for watching and supporting and so on and so forth. And so I think I'll close this video and let you all get back to your normal life instead of looking at my abnormal life. And so we'll close with a Steve head.